nose. This is nose, this is nose, this is nose, and this is berry.
What?
Toady. Shh. Toady. Sorry, Toady, you couldn't come in here.
I don't think that's Tony. I think this is
That is
Michelangelo. Ow!
Gone. It's Toady. Hey. Calm down, he's gone. Calm down. Dodo bird. But, you know? I got bracelets. No, you can't have one. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. He's dead. He's just dead.
Yeah, I think you did.
Hey.
What do you have to say for yourself? Why are you hitting my screen?
No, bad. Do you want to go to bed? Or have a nap? I know she's not going to have ice cream.
What the hell?
I know she's not going to have ice cream. If you have a nap. There we go, bird.
He sleeps the most peaceful sleep alive. Wait, what are you doing with the bird?
I'm just trying to. Ice cream time! Wait.
What?
Do you know Bob?
Yeah, what's up?
Do you know me and my dad went to the ballerina and then we won. We
Oh.
won.
Oh.
We still won. And do you know my mom? Do you know
I'm listening. He's just tapping my phone.
39 speaks in German. Also, Baby Driver, watch 39 speaks in German.
Okay.
And also Bella Yente. Do you know? Hey. Which flavor do you want ice cream? Chocolate. I think they don't spell chocolate. Chocolate. But you could try chocolatey Oreo. It tastes so good. There you go. Just taste it. It tastes good. Eat it. It tastes so good. Ouch.
I think you passed out.
Over here, Jojo Bird. Over here. Go to my arm. Do you want to go to the nest? To the jungle? Jungle? Jamaica?
Oh my god!
Holy moly! Over here, Jojo. Over here. My t-shirt ballerina.
I'm sorry.
Beaver dinosaur. Not even crocodiles. Ow! Oh, you did it, babe. Come down to my arm. Ow, my eye. Ow, my eye. My eye.
I think he just did a bunch of backflips.